Welcome to our today's edition of reading taken from today's newspapers. Today is the 16th of March 2021. We shall continue it again exclusively on the Weather Watch report from today's newspaper. Through this Weather Watch, we shall then have a look yet again into some really interesting weather vocabulary that connects with today's Weather Watch. Overcast means very cloudy. The sky is completely covered with cloud, or a covering of clouds over the sky. Overcast means a covering of clouds over the sky. The sky remained overcast for 3 days in a row. Looks like it's going to rain today. How do you say that? The sky is a bit overcast. Damp. It means slightly wet, especially in a way that is not pleasant or comfortable. For example, the room was damp and so we had to open all the windows. Could you please put those damp clothes in the dryer? The apartment walls were covered all over in damp patches. Your shirt still feels a bit damp. His body was damp with perspiration. It's quite easy to iron damp clothes. Always use a damp flannel to clean the car. Damp means slightly wet, especially in a way that is not comfortable. Drizzle means light rain falling in fine or minute drops. They say any drop which has a diameter of 0.5 mm or even less is generally considered to be a drizzle, while larger than that is considered to be rain. It's been drizzling the whole day today. It drizzled throughout the night. So first we saw the word overcast, then the word damp, then drizzle, now a shower. A shower means a brief spell of rain, or a fall of rain of a short duration. So, you are soaked to the skin. Yes, I got caught in the shower. The meteorologist has predicted scattered showers for this evening. Shower means a very brief spell of rain. That is why we use the word scattered, isolated, and local when we describe showers. So thus far we saw the meaning of the words overcast, damp, drizzle, and shower. Now to the rain. Rain means a longer spell, as simple as that. So rain tends to be associated with longer spells than a shower. So it usually extends for hundreds of kilometers and falls at much steadier rates than a shower does. Example, it's raining hard. It's raining cats and dogs. Looks like it's going to rain today. So rain tends to be associated with longer spells than a shower. Today we have been looking at cold and rainy weather, overcast, damp, drizzle, shower, and rain. Now we look at torrential rain. Torrential rain simply means a very heavy rain. Torrential rain pours down very rapidly and in great quantities. We had a torrential downpour last evening. The roads were completely swept away by the torrential rains. So torrential rain means a very heavy rain and it pours down very rapidly and in great quantities. Next we move on to gusty winds. Gusty winds mean sudden, strong winds. Like for example when the leaves are swirling around in the air and you find the garbage blowing all over the place in the city streets, we call them gusty winds. Yesterday we had heavy rain and gusty winds. Gust means a sudden, strong outburst with sudden, strong winds. And so this is the weather forecast for Tuesday, that is today, from the Hindu. Thunderstorm with lightning, gusty winds, likely at isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, Kerala, and Mahe. Heatwave conditions likely at isolated places over Saurashtra and Kutch. We saw the meaning of heat wave yesterday. Now we shall move on to the meaning of the word storm. So far, we've been seeing the meaning of the words overcast, damp, drizzle, shower, rain, and torrential rain in a graded order. Storm means high winds and rain together, or a violent weather condition with very strong wind, heavy rain, and often thunder and lightning. The storm knocked out the power supply in our town. The storm caused a power outage in the locality. The meteorologist says that a storm is on the way. A thunderstorm. A storm in which there is thunder and lightning and a lot of heavy rain and wind. I repeat, a thunderstorm is a storm in which there is thunder and lightning and a lot of heavy rain and wind. Example, thunderstorms are more common in the summer when the days are longer. My friend got caught in the thunderstorm. Thunderstorm is a storm in which there is thunder and lightning and a lot of heavy rain and wind. So this is the last part of our weather vocabulary for today, fog and mist. Generally, fog, mist and haze have always been a very important part of each and every weather forecast, simply because they all affect visibility. And if there is poor visibility, we all know it affects many of our daily aspects of lives. Right from our driving to shipping to even aviation. We saw the meaning of the word haze in our video yesterday. So, today we shall see the meaning of the words fog and mist. Well, simply put, if you can see less than just 1 kilometer, it is fog. When the visibility exceeds 1 kilometer, it is called mist. Fog is usually thicker with higher density and hence visibility is much lesser than in mist. In mist, the visibility is much higher when compared to fog. That's again because mist has lesser density. One reason why mist usually dissipates or disappears quickly. Like for example, when you can see your breath on a cold day, that's also called mist. So that's all for now from today's special edition of Weather Vocabulary from today's The Hindu newspaper. Do continue to read the day's newspapers both in English and in your vernaculars as well. Thank you. Have a good day.